Connecticut has nearly 100 farmers markets and can be found in virtually any town, 7 days a week. The popularity of the market mirrors the benefits. Fresh local products, friendly farmers that are the face of the food that you're buying, and also a community gathering place for everyone to enjoy. The Senior Farmers Market Nutrition Program provides funds to use at the farmers market for eligible individuals. Funds are available each year from July 1st through November 30th. Participants receive a balance at the beginning of the farmers market season on their card or mobile app to spend on fresh, unprocessed fruits and vegetables, herbs, eggs, and honey. Today, we are going to show you how easy it is to use your card and receive your benefits. This year, seniors ages 60 and older and disabled individuals will receive funds on their card or mobile app. These benefits work with their fresh, unprocessed fruits, vegetables, herbs, eggs, and honey. Once you are ready to buy your fresh produce, the vendor will scan the QR code on your app or card. The vendor will insert the amount, and once they hit enter, your PIN number will need to be provided for a card or confirm the transaction on the mobile app. Then the money will immediately be subtracted from your account. Now you are all set. You might continue shopping or head home and cook something fresh and healthy. Make sure to save your card for next season.